introduces a timeless classic for fall 2025 with the Air Force 1 Low Black Nubuck. While the legendary triple black look endures, this edition replaces traditional leather with nubuck panels, delivering a softer touch and refined contrast. The Nubuck's unique dye absorption creates slight tonal variation, adding depth to the all-black aesthetic. Profile swooshes, sole units, and inner lining remain deep black for a cohesive, stealthy vibe. Much like the beloved Flax release, this drop blends heritage basketball DNA with modern, fall-ready materials. Celebrating the silhouette's 42-year legacy, Nike continues to evolve it through thoughtful seasonal updates. Official images have surfaced, and the launch is expected soon via Nike.com and select retailers. Perfect for fans seeking a subtle yet fresh spin on a classic, the black Nubuck Air Force 1 Low offers durability, texture, and style for both streetwear and everyday rotation.